Target before, and it wasn't like this. They should have never had this right here. They should never had this right here. For real. I met this like, y'all, if y'all just heard my car, you would know.
Snack folks rocking super ice. Bestie in hell with me, thick as hell, she coolin' with the gas. Drop the jigger in my fucking snapple, I'm gon' have a night. I got addictions, I be tryna fight them off like every.
Y'all, it's hot as fuck outside. I can't even get a good angle. Come on now, let the window down. I'm fucking dying in here. Shit. I'm finna be going to clean my car out. And then I'm gonna add some more stuff to this vlog. I'm gonna be going hygiene shopping, all type of stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm just starting off this video with going to clean my car out. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. I'm trying to make it a little aesthetically pleasing. So I'm gonna go at the inside when I get out the car. But yeah, let me do my intro real quick. It's Gina and I'm back with another mother trucking video. Yeah, I'm back again and better every time. Fuck you talk about. Okay, the fuck, don't fly in my car. Okay, I'm finna tell y'all when I get to
You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You want it.
Alright, y'all, so now that I've been cleaned my vacuum, I'm gonna get these little car wipes that I have bought. This is literally hot as fuck now. But I'm gonna clean this little middle console that got all of my little smoking residue. I need to put this down. Why are you saying that? Ain't nobody tell you this on camera. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's it. So, yeah. I'll see this. And this one mic is going to get the touch. That won't clean my car out because my car wasn't dirty for real. Because I'm not no dirty bitch. Like these dirty assholes that my nigga be fucking on. This shit's supposed to come out. But I never took it out. I'm gonna take it out right now. Oh, look, you wanna vacuum this. I'm gonna vacuum that. Hard. This is who had my car before me. Oh my god. I'm gonna try and use that motherfucker. When I go figure out what else I'm doing today. Y'all, so I'm like, let me do my intro while I'm outside and shit. Because that's just better before I get in the car. And it's just creepy as fuck out here. Like, it's can't see shit and shit with the light. I'm getting in the car. Fuck that. Make sure ain't nobody in my car and shit. The fuck? Lock the doors. Anyways, my lips ashy. It's Gina and I'm back with the fucking weekly vlog. Cause there's not no fucking intro. Because I'm just announcing what I'm doing today, you know? Anyways, I'm back on the weekly vlog. And today I'm finna finally go do my little hygiene shopping like I've been saying. That household shopping and shit. And y'all know, I don't live with my mama and shit, so bitches gotta do that shit on their own. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I finally found what the fuck I'm looking for after walking past everything in the world. This is why I gotta like write stuff down before I come here, because I already forgot what the fuck I'm in here for. Body wash and lotion. This is all hair stuff and makeup stuff and washing your face stuff. I don't know shit about that. Nah, I know shit about that, but I don't need shit. Y'all, I want to start drinking kombucha. Let me know if y'all drink kombucha. Kombucha. Like, for real. Where this shit at? I'm just looking for lotion and soap. Soap and lotion. I don't need no more Aquaphor. This is like pads and stuff. It says shaving deodorant down here. Maybe it's back there. This shit, I need to start changing shit, because I haven't been in this Target before and it wasn't like this. Yeah, I had okay, so deodorant and shit. Okay, I think I found the soap. I think it's on that wall. Do I need some more razors? Do I need some deodorant? I don't think so. Nah, here you go though. I get some sensitive skin body wash, but no, I had started some one girl on TikTok using this one, but I don't think they have it. Don't think. I didn't want the shea butter and vanilla one, even though I usually get the sensitive skin one. I really hope this shit don't break my skin out, because if it do, then we fighting. I don't need no bar soap. I got some bar soap at home. They got a body wash concentrate. What the fuck? Anyways. Oh, y'all, I've been wanting this, but I want the lotion. Or I don't know. I think I might get this. Fuck the Dove. At this point, I think I want that. They should never had this right here. They should never had this right here. For real. Excuse me. Okay, now I need to find the lotion, but I think it's back that way. Do I need anything from down here? I don't need no cleaners. I said I wanted to get like some Lysol. I don't need no glass cleaner. I want some like disinfectant spray. And that shit better be like $1, or I'm going to Dollar Tree on my daddy. Oh hell no. They disinfectant spray is $14 for a pack of 2. And they don't got what I'm looking for. And I also wanted some like carpet freshener, but I also don't see that. We're gonna look at another aisle. That's what we're gonna do. It smells good in this aisle, like carpet cleaner. Disinfectant wipes. Nope. So, since they don't have that, we finna go back to looking for lotion. Let me see, cause I want some yeah, I'm finna get some laundry detergent too. So I gotta grab that while I'm right here. Wait, this ain't hand soap. I don't need no more hand soap. I want some fucking carpet freshener. But they don't got that. So where? I'm like, where's the tide? Here's the tab. Okay, let me do my math. 3.4 gallons for $16, or 4.31 gallons for $20, or 2.72 for $13. 2.72, that's like 2.72 is almost 4.31. And that's almost double that. I don't need no shit that lasts 40 months. I have one person, and my siblings got a bad ass on shit too. So I'm gonna go with the $16 one, cause there's a $13 one too. But I'm gonna go with the $16 one because yeah, I'm a bad bitch and I need to wash a lot of clothes. I wash a lot, y'all. Ooh, what's free and gentle? For sensitive skin. Y'all ain't tell me twice. I'm gonna use that shit. Target at all. I'm gonna go in this shaving cream now, and I can't find my EOS lotion. It's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna get rowdy. Like, why is y'all can't fun walking to the different house? Like, why is girl stuff so separate from each other? It's not supposed to be like this. Okay. So now I'm backing the deodorant and stuff out. Looking for they like piss me off. Target. Okay, I quit. Maybe I should get a scrub. I don't have no scrub. Let me get a Dove scrub. Why? No, I want a tea tree hut scrub. Excuse me.
Sorry.
You good. You good. Now I got fine tissue. This Target is just so freaking confusing. Them pink toothbrushes was just so cute. I can't resist them. This is so cute. But they soft. They still cute though. I can like use these as like a second brush. Why do they got tongue scrapers here? I want a tongue scraper because I smoke a lot of fucking weed. Let me go see. Hell no, the toothpaste out all the way back though. Let me go get my tissue first. Where the fuck tissue at? Oh, here go the single can disinfectant sprays. And the carpet strength things. So with this shit, do you like
The time is now 9:40 and your neighborhood super target will be closing in 20 minutes.
I have to hurry up. The Target is finna close. Oh my goodness.
As always, thank you for choosing your neighborhood super target. Have a great night.
I just need some tissue and I want to go look for the tongue scraper. the toothbrush. Oil, floss, mouth sores. Man, fuck, I ain't found nothing now. Okay, and I also wanted some pajamas, so I'm gonna go look for that. Fuck the tissue at this point. I'm gonna have to come back for some tissue. Because I want some pajamas. And the Target has been so close. They say, please make your final selections. Bitch. And I forgot to get my treehouse scrub. Oh my god, y'all. I'm finna have to go back to Target tomorrow. Okay. I wanted some of these. I know some of the brows, I guess. Do I need an extra large? Or should I get a large? I'm gonna go with the extra large. I don't even know how much that shit just was. Let me stop picking up shit since I don't even know how much shit is. These pajama shorts cute. They don't see no pajamas I really like, so. Guess I gotta go. Oh, they got a hang set over there, that's cute. I don't know. Getting kicked out of Target. These are sets that everybody be on TikTok. They're not that cute in person. These ones is kind of cute. Anyways, back on the fucking vlog, and we gotta hurry up because my camera is pissed to die. We are at this party. It's hella motherfuckers. Rakai, get out and show the camera how much many people are here.
How many what?
People are here. Hold on, let me turn the light off so it don't look like everybody gonna look at you. Okay. And you gonna look at it as the lights. You gonna get out the car.
Oh my god, I didn't know I had to get out. What the
Put
fuck?
your arm up and show all the cars.
I don't want nobody looking at me.
That's why I said turn the light off. I'm dead. They're gonna be
Well. Micaiah! Oh, y'all did not. Yes, you did.
No, y'all didn't. No, y'all didn't. No, y'all fucking did it. Look.
Yes, she did. No, y'all did not. Yes, we just called you.
I called your ass like 10 times. And then I called Arya too. Like,
Hey, Gina.
yeah.
I'm back again.
Yeah.
Bro, oh my god, that's so
Mom, they're back on the fucking weekly vlog. I realize I curse too much. Yeah. But no, so it's hot as fuck outside. Like, I was being lazy putting on this hoodie. I should have been lazy and put on a fucking bra or something. I almost just melted fucking walking to this bitch. Yeah, the last time I was
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm
Holiday Ass and Charlotte Russe and Forever 21 and all of them fuck ass stores, funky ass stores in the mall just fucking blew me. It's not hit nobody's car. Cause I'd be damned if somebody hit me. Anyways, okay. So yeah. Basically I was already shopping on Victoria's Secret online. Before I came in the store because I knew that they was having their semi-annual sales this week. And basically everything online, I don't remember what the fuck price it was, but all of that shit was the same price. But up in there, they only got certain underwear and stuff that's 5 for $20, and then the rest of the underwear is the original price, 5 for $30. And I'm just like, y'all could have told me this shit before. I would have just bought my shit online. And I'm still finna go buy me some online. But I just got a couple to know. Shop the little something I ain't gonna say out. But yeah, I just bought me a couple because that was it. And then I have bought some lotion because that shit said $6. I'm like, $6? Usually 15. I'm like, okay. Hold on, let me make this light. Y'all, if y'all just heard my car, you would know. I was just going fast as fuck. Oh, my camera. Yeah. Okay, let me my baby. That's my baby. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go. I'm trying to figure out which gas station I want to go to get gas. It's probably gonna be Delta Sonic because Delta Sonic gas is cheap. And gas is $4 something right now. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, gas was just like $3.89 last week. Y'all should have told me that shit last week. I would have filled up my car. Every time I speed, my camera falls. So maybe that means stop speeding so I don't break my damn camera. Anyways, it's hot as fuck and I like to blast my tunes when I'm driving. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of this weekly vlog today because I done vlogged like about 5 days already. And yeah, this is gonna be a pretty decent video. So if y'all like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at hygiene. And y'all might as well follow me on TikTok too while you at it, because it's the same name. All my social medias is the same name. Hi, I'm Gina.